Welcome everyone to the TensorFlow Basics section of the course. So we've already had a crash course on the very basic libraries that we use with Python, and then we've already covered a very basic introduction to neural networks. Now it's time to use this section of the course to expand on what we've already learned and begin to actually explore TensorFlow's framework approach to neural networks. And hopefully you're going to be seeing lots of parallels with our own simple implementation that we performed in the previous section. So let's cover what this section is actually going to do. We're first going to start off with just going over the basic syntax for TensorFlow, and then we'll discuss TensorFlow graphs, variables, and placeholders, and those are all going to feel very familiar based off what we've already covered. Then we'll actually implement a TensorFlow neural network. Then we'll continue showing some simple examples of using TensorFlow for a regression task, remember that's supervised learning, as well as a classification task. So we'll have two code-along lectures, one for regression, one for classification. Then to make sure you feel comfortable with all the topics we've covered in this section, we'll finish it off with two exercises, a regression task exercise, and then a corresponding solution lecture, as well as a classification exercise, and again, a solution lecture for that. Okay, let's get started. I'll see you at the next lecture where we begin with the basic syntax of TensorFlow.